Hi guys, it's William and welcome back to another on-demand video. So just a quick one for you guys today. We've introduced a new feature into the platform today. We've got background tasks, and today I just kind of want to showcase how this works and how you can essentially use the playground. You can use your tasks, you can launch your agents, and you can essentially set them to the side to run in the background whilst you focus on other tasks. So we'll jump straight into the platform and we'll check this out. So coming into the platform here, you'll see we're in the playground. We've got all our different stock agents here on the right hand side. So we're going to go ahead and use the prompt to analyze the following stocks: Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. And for each stock, provide obviously a news summary, technical analysis, and investment recommendations, and then put this all together kind of into a document and then send it to us via our email. So you can see here. So we're just going to go ahead and click run here, and you'll see that obviously it's analyzing the prompt, but we can actually just click down here, and this button sends it to be as a background task. So we can click move to background task here. And now we've got free range to, work on another sort of preset here. So we go ahead, select another preset here from the drop down menu. For example, it's tokenized assets, where we're using a range of different agent tools. We've got our Alchemy, QuickNode, Etherscan, and Bitbond. We can then, analyze our own wallet. And if we're ever curious to see how our other task is doing, in the top right-hand corner here, you'll see that it's 46% done, it's in progress, and we can check back on that later to view the output. So we're going to go ahead, we're just going to configure, maybe we want to add in some more agents here, or even just create an entirely new session for us to start from scratch. And we could essentially just use this. We can then go ahead with the email marketing here. And now we've got this running too. We've just got the notification in the top right hand corner here that our task has been completed. So we can actually move this to a background task here. We can click here and we can view the result. And then it takes us back to this chat session, where you can now see the full output that we've received. And now the thing that's going to be interesting here is if we obviously have received the email. So just before we dive into that, you can see that this took 42 seconds of rag time and 20 seconds of fulfillment, and then 10,400 tokens. Precise report analyzing Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. Then we've got the Apple analysis, Tesla analysis, Amazon analysis, as well as a summary table here as well. This is very interesting. So now if we go ahead and jump into my email, for example, and you can see here the latest email, 5:55 p.m. on-demand stock analysis report for Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. Go ahead and open this up. And you can see we've got all the same information that we essentially just got within the on-demand platform. Now, what's quite interesting and how we can kind of take this a little bit further is, let's say we were trying to analyze these stocks and then send them to one of our coworkers, for example. Within On-Demand, it would be super easy for us to configure the Zoho Mail agent, for example, or even the Outlook Mail agent, where it essentially is then sending this email on our behalf. It's not just sending it from the On-Demand bot. It would be coming directly from my account to whichever email I may specify. So now we're going to jump back into On-Demand here so we can check on our other tasks. So you can see here that this has also been completed here. We can view the results. And then it takes us back into this session. Again, this was 26 seconds of rag time, 3 seconds of fulfillment time. So total cloud providers contacted. We contacted the Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer for discovering the email of the Head of Marketing. All outreach emails have been successfully sent, and a detailed report has been emailed to mk@airev.ae. Interesting. So this is just one of the, sort of the example conversation starters that you can use when you sign into the platform. So create a new session here. We've obviously got email marketing, US stock analysis, and Forex agent. These were just, obviously super easy, super simple use cases. We just wanted to showcase the power of sort of the background tasks feature that we've now launched into the on-demand platform. So that's kind of it for today. Stay tuned for all the other videos that we'll be pushing this week. We're going very heavy on the on-demand platform, and we're really keen to show you guys kind of what we're building, what we're launching. And yeah, that's going to be it from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.